Hello, engine room, full speed ahead. Well, that's a bonus. There's a VHF if it works. Well, it's not too bad. Cabin looks really nice. When the fire's there, this is going to be toasty. Won't be cold again. Anyway, there's a few little problems. It's very kind. Somebody's taken the mask down. The mast down. But I'm having a bit of a problem doing all the tidying it up above so it'll be safe to transport it. So it's a big we'll have to see. So but some kind woman's made me a cup of tea, so the thing is, I don't know if I'm going to get back tonight. The way it's going, I'm going to be here till quite late. So, and the trouble is, because somebody hasn't taken the sail off, although it's all wound up tight, but a lot of transport firms don't want to move a boat with the sail still on. So I'm wrapping it up as best I can with gaffer tape and hoping that you know. I know, I'll do some recording outside in a bit so you can see me struggling all over the decks, trying to tie everything up nice. You see, I can't even speak now. Tidily. Plus is, there is a big television here. Anybody wants to buy a big television? Oh, I better show you it. There's a big television. There you are. See, all yours for 300 quid. I don't know. And I might be keeping this, a nice fridge. We will see how things go. Oh boy, yes. And the other bit of good news, I was very worried about the forward hatch because there was just a bit of plastic covering it. It is all in one piece, and I think the reason why he covered it with the plastic was because he liked the hatch to be up for ventilation. Obviously, when it's up for ventilation, it won't necessarily stop the water getting in. So the hatch is fine, which is a big plus. The bad news, in terms of getting the thing functioning, although I was looking to do a rewire anyway, is that there's no batteries. So that's going to be another nice little expense and everything. But there's a solo cell coming for me, but that won't work very well without batteries. So anyway, let's see how we get on. I'm quite pleased this little sofa's here, and the double bed area looks pretty good, although it needs wood trimming. I need to replace some wood trimming. Okay, well, better show you all the way around. Oh, yes, mind your head, Dave. I've been framed, not for the first time. Anyway, yeah, this is the bed area at the bow. I need to do. There's some wood gone here. I've got to replace the wood. Overall, I reckon it seems pretty good overall. I'm quite impressed, but it does need quite a bit of varnishing and replacing the bits of wood or getting new bits made up. Headlining's pretty good, just needs washing down really. That's an impressive thing. So,